Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Robinhood makes money if trading is commission-free. Robinhood's business model is not about charging a direct commission to you, the individual trader. Instead, it relies on several other income streams to generate revenue. The primary and most significant way Robinhood makes money is through a practice called payment for order flow, or PFOF. When you place a buy or sell order, Robinhood does not send it directly to a stock exchange. Instead, it routes your order to market makers. These are large trading firms like Citadel Securities or Virtu Financial. These market makers pay Robinhood a small fee for the right to execute your trade. Market makers profit by setting the bid-ask spread, the difference between the highest price a buyer is willing to pay and the lowest price a seller is willing to accept. They execute your trade and essentially keep that spread as profit, sharing a fraction of it with Robinhood for routing the order to them. This practice is controversial, but it's the engine that enables commission-free trading. Beyond PFOF, Robinhood has other key revenue sources. First is net interest revenue. Like a bank, Robinhood earns interest on the uninvested cash in your account. They lend this cash out or invest it in interest-bearing securities and keep the profit. They also earn interest from margin lending, where users borrow money from Robinhood to purchase securities, a feature primarily available through their premium service. That premium service is called Robinhood Gold. For a monthly subscription fee, Gold members get access to features like professional research, bigger instant deposits, and the ability to trade on margin. This subscription fee is another important revenue stream. Finally, Robinhood also generates income from stock lending. They can lend out certain fully paid-for stocks in customer accounts to other parties, like short sellers, who pay a fee to borrow them. Robinhood then shares some of the revenue from this practice with the user. In summary, while you pay no commission, Robinhood generates revenue by selling your trade orders, earning interest on your cash and margin loans, and through its premium subscription service. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.